This video examines the case White Plains Association, Inc. versus Legaspi, a landmark Philippine legal matter concerning subdivision road ownership and the principle of just compensation. This case involves a multi-decade legal battle regarding the ownership and status of Road Lot 1 in the White Plains subdivision, located in Quezon City. The conflict began when the developer, Quezon City Development and Financing Corp., promised a 38-meter wide road, but only built a 20-meter one. A prior Supreme Court ruling established that the developer was bound by promissory estoppel to designate open spaces for public use. In 1989, the DPWH attempted to expand the road. However, Judge Godofredo Legaspi issued an injunction, ruling that since the lot had not been formally donated, it remained private property requiring compensation, which halted the infrastructure project. The court faced two critical legal issues: whether the developer was entitled to just compensation for the road lot, and if the state could proceed with public works without a formal deed of donation. The Supreme Court held that no just compensation was required in this instance, ruling that ownership of such road lots vests in the government by operation of law. The decision established key doctrines. Road lots are withdrawn from the commerce of man once a plan is approved, ownership vests automatically in the government, and a formal deed of donation is merely a technicality, not a requirement for public use. Ultimately, the Supreme Court dissolved the injunction. However, a 1998 postscript noted that because the state later abandoned the C5 path on that strip, the requirement for a donation was no longer applicable, as there was no actual public utility.